Hey, Garrett here. Did you know that affiliate marketing has been around since the late 1990s? See, it's not just a modern trend, it's a tried and true method for making money online. Now, if you're looking for the best affiliate programs to use affiliate marketing with that not only offer high paying products, but a reoccurring commission, then you're in the right place. Now, I'm about to reveal some easy ways to make your mark on these platforms with a lot less effort. See, I understand that joining the top affiliate programs can be very competitive. A lot of them are low paying and they have a poor commission structure. But don't worry, because today I'm about to reveal the top 5 affiliate programs you must join. But before I dive into the very first one, if you want to discover my #1 way to crush it and make the most amount of money with affiliate marketing, be sure to click the first link directly below. Now, the very first affiliate program is Amazon. Did you know that Amazon Associates is like the granddaddy of all affiliate programs? It's the big kahuna, the top dog, the largest affiliate program in the whole wide world. With over 10 million active affiliates, it's basically a playground for people looking to make some extra cash by promoting products. Now, what's really cool about Amazon Associates is they have a wide, mind-boggling range of products for you to promote. I'm talking about everything under the sun, from books to electronics to even home goods. So no matter what your niche or interest, chances are you can find something to promote. Now, let's talk numbers. Amazon's commission rates are pretty decent, ranging between 4% and 10%, depending on the product category. Now, this might not sound like a lot, but when you consider the sheer volume of stuff people buy on Amazon every day, those percentages can really add up. Also, my recommendation, if you choose Amazon Associates as your affiliate program, is to choose a product that has a larger price tag. Something like a TV or an expensive camera. That way, that 10% commission is gonna be a lot bigger. And here's the cherry on top. You can actually earn reoccurring commissions on products that get renewed or repurchased. So if you refer someone to a subscription service or a product that people tend to buy regularly, you can keep earning money without lifting a finger. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates is a pretty good place to start. Now, the second place I recommend is ShareASale. Let me introduce you to this platform. Now, it's another big player in the affiliate marketing game, and it's got some impressive numbers to show off. ShareASale boasts a whopping 25,000 merchants in the network. Yes, you heard that right, 25,000. That means you have a huge pool of products and services to choose from. And when you're diving into the world of affiliate marketing with ShareASale, you really want that variety so you can find the best, most profitable products. The thing that I love about ShareASale is the diversity. So they've got everything from software you can promote to travel deals to fashion items. So whether you're a tech guru or a globetrotter or even a fashionista, there's something for you to promote. Now let's talk about money, because that's what we're all here for, right? ShareASale's commission rates can be pretty darn attractive. Now, they're not set in stone though, because they vary depending on the specific merchant on the site that you're partnering with. But here's the exciting part. They can go as high as 50% commissions. So some merchants are willing to dish out up to 50% on the sales you generate. So it's really effective, especially again, if you choose a product that's higher paying. Now, if you're on the lookout for a diverse range of products and the potential to earn some pretty juicy commissions, ShareASale might be your golden ticket. With 25,000 merchants in their corner, they got something for everyone, and the sky is the limit when it comes to your earning potential. So go ahead, you may want to check them out, and who knows, you might just find your affiliate marketing treasure trove that you fall in love with. Now, my third affiliate program I want to recommend is CJ Affiliate. Buckle up, because there's another heavyweight in the affiliate marketing scene. Now, CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, which some of you may be familiar with, these folks are no small fry. with a network that boasts over 3,000 merchants. That's right, they're rolling deep in the affiliate marketing game. Now let's talk shop. CJ Affiliate covers a wide spectrum of products and services, so no matter what niche gets your heart racing, right? What really motivates you, chances are they've gotten something for you to promote. Health and beauty, check. Technology, gadgets, and gizmos, you got it. Even travel opportunities. So they're like a one-stop shop for affiliates looking to promote a diverse range of products and services. But wait, there's more. Commission rates at CJ Affiliate are like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get, right? Why? Because they vary depending on the merchant you're partnering with. So here's the exciting part. They can go as high as 75% commission. Yes, meaning when you go to refer someone and they purchase that product, you can keep up to 75% of the income that you generate. So that's pretty amazing, what you say? So if you're looking for something with a lot of diversity, a lot of earning potential, CJ Affiliate just might be your next best friend. The third affiliate program is Rakuten. Now, imagine this scenario. You're browsing online for the fancy new gadget or the latest fashion trends. Instead of just making a purchase and saying goodbye to your money, you decide to do it through Rakuten. That simple choice can lead to some sweet cash back in your pocket. See, Rakuten partners with an impressive lineup of merchants, ranging from well-known retail giants to niche boutique stores. The diversity means you can score cash back on a vast array of products, from clothing, electronics, to groceries, and even travel booking. It's like having your own personal savings account for your online shopping adventures. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Rakuten's referral program lets you share the cashback love with your friends and family. So when you refer someone to Rakuten and they make qualifying purchases, both you and your referral can earn rewards. It's like having a ripple effect of savings, turning your shopping network into a money-making team. Now, let's talk about those cashback rates. They're like the cherry on the top of the money-saving cake, because while they do vary depending on the merchant, some stores offer cashback rates as high as 40%. That's not chump change. That's a significant chunk of your spending coming right back into your wallet. In a nutshell, Rakuten is your go-to destination for getting cash back on everyday purchases and special splurges. It's like the kind of platform that turns shopping into a rewarding experience, quite literally. With thousands of partners, the potential for cashback rates soaring as high as 40%, why not make Rakuten your trusty sidekick for your savvy shopping? So why not make Rakuten your trusty sidekick for savvy shopping? Your bank account will thank you, and so will your friends when you introduce them to this cashback treasure trove. Now, before we dive into the last affiliate program, if you're eager to explore my #1 way to make tons of money with affiliate marketing, be sure you click the first link under this description for much more information. Now, the last affiliate program I want to recommend in this specific video is ClickBank. ClickBank is like a virtual marketplace for all things digital. Think ebooks, software, online courses, you name it, they got it. If you're an affiliate marketer with a passion for promoting digital goodies, ClickBank is your playground. Let's talk numbers, because that's where ClickBank really shines. So ClickBank specifically is known for their high commission rates, and some products on their platform offer commissions as jaw-dropping as 75%. Yes, you heard me correct, 75% when you make a referral. And it's one of the reasons ClickBank is so popular among affiliates. But that's not all. See, ClickBank isn't just about high commissions, they're also about helping you succeed as an affiliate. They offer tons and tons of tools, resources to really help you promote the products effectively. Now, whether it's tracking tools, marketing materials, or even insights into what's hot in the digital product world, ClickBank really has your back. And if you're all about promoting digital products and earning serious commissions along the way, ClickBank might just be your secret sauce. It has tons of different types of products, from health and fitness to making money online to dating, and it really pays you well, and it has a massively high reputation. Plus, again, the resources. So go ahead, check it out, and you might might just find your affiliate marketing dreamland. Now, before I get going, I just want to share a couple more bonus tips to really help you in your search to decide on the right types of products and also have success. So first off, when you're picking affiliate programs, it's crucial to think about your niche. What is your interest? What is your passion? Do you already have a blog in a specific topic? If you're in tech, it makes sense to promote tech-related products. Matching your affiliate program to your niche is like finding the perfect pair of shoes, right? It just fits better. Now let's talk about money because, who doesn't love some extra cash? You want to check the commission rates, right? Obviously, the higher, the better. So look for programs that offer decent rates, especially for products you think your audience will really like. After all, you want a nice piece of the pie. Another thing to consider is tracking tools. So that might seem a little bit complicated, but they're really your best pals in the affiliate game, right? Good ones to help you see how well you're doing, because what gets measured gets managed. So you want to make sure you're tracking where your traffic, where your sales are actually coming from. And do yourself a favor, read the fine print, okay? You don't want any surprises down the road. Make sure you're clear on the program's rules and what's expected for you. Getting support from the merchant is like having a friendly neighbor who's always there to lend a hand, okay? So you wanna look for programs that give you access to marketing materials, different trainings, different advertisements you can actually swipe and post to really help you grow and market a lot easier. I mean, remember, affiliate marketing isn't just about finding the right programs. It's about promoting products you actually truly believe in. Be transparent with your audience, create awesome content, and keep an eye on your results. I really hope you got value in this video. Be sure you subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest videos. And also be sure to click on the screen right here. It will check out a playlist with much more affiliate marketing training so you can learn what to do now that you've found your affiliate program to promote. And I really look forward to seeing you on the next video.